Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have street tacos. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay, I just have 4 street tacos. I got asada and I got chicken, and of course you have the cilantro and the onions and the lime. I do have green salsa and red salsa over there I'll be trying. So let's just dig in. Happy Sunday. Steven got some asada tacos. I've never been to this place before. It's just a little random food truck in the next town. Let's dig in. This is the asada. That meat has really good flavor. They were busy too on it's almost 7 o'clock here. Very good.
Yeah.
We have taco trucks everywhere down here. So happy Sunday. What'd y'all do this weekend? Let me get some of this green salsa. Never had green salsa. I'm about to find out today. Got a little kick to it.
Which one did you try?
A green one, but it's not bad. Try it.
That
Eat
one's
that
hot.
one. I like that one. So yeah, today's Sunday, and I may or may not have taken like a 2-hour nap today. And I don't feel bad about it. I'm still like sleepy. That asada is bomb. Let's get into this chicken. And these are $1.50 per taco. You ain't getting them prices nowhere. I think some guy pulled up after us talking about, let me get 20 tacos. Woo. You want to try this green? This is the chicken one. That green salsa is good. But I think I might like the asada better. We had a good day Saturday. We went to a nice little fall festival.
It's still 90 degrees down here.
Yeah. Ain't nothing fall about Florida right now. Got 0 sugar dew.
Went to a brewery.
Yeah, it was hot. So where the festival was, they had a brewery right there. Stopped in there. I got a frozen dreamsicle drink. That thing was nice. I love a good frozen drink or a drink on the rocks. They good?
Got some wings. Watched the Alabama game.
Oh yeah.
Roll Tide.
We went to get some wings afterwards. Pretty neat little place. Not the best wings I ever had, but pretty good.
No.
It's a very chill weekend. Not a whole lot going on, but we got outside, enjoyed the weather. It was a beautiful day yesterday. Just like today, I don't know what the temperature is. It may not be fall here, but I feel like the humidity is dropping.
Yeah.
And it's not as hot and humid and nasty when you walk out your house. 85 right now.
Yep.
This morning when I left, because I went to the gym and walked, it was like 70 degrees.
We need it.
Yeah.
It's been a hot summer.
And horrible.
I mean, our winters are like 70, 80 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it gets down to 60.
Well, last year I had ice on my
Yeah.
car. So it gets cold down here. I don't know which one I like. They're both pretty good.
Yeah.
I love the onions and cilantro. Really good. But yeah, that little 2-hour nap took me out today. He had to wake me up like, hey, about 4:30, you gonna wake up and get going?
You've still been asleep.
Them Sunday naps hit different. I don't take naps often. Usually the only times I even take naps is when I'm sick and I don't feel good. But today was one of them days we was taking a nap. Excuse
I like
me.
my naps.
Another asada. Oh yeah, we know you like your naps. Mm-hmm. Look at the pretty little sunset in the background.
Yeah.
We're here at a dog park. We did a video here, I think, was it last year?
Yeah.
When we did A&W. Yeah, I definitely like that green sauce. Should have tried it. A new work week is upon us. Gotta prepare for that. Anymore, I just go in, do my job, and that's it. I leave. I don't bother nobody. I don't let nobody bother me. I don't have time for it. I don't do the negative stuff. Pretty much when I go into work, sit in my little cubicle, do my job. That's it, that's all.
That's all.
One of these days, I want to get a Coke in a bottle.
You never had a Coke in a bottle?
I don't think I ever had a Coke in a bottle.
Really?
No.
Are you serious?
I think so. I don't know. They say that stuff's good. I always see people associate Mexican food with Coke in a bottle.
I remember as a kid going around collecting bottles, take to the store.
Oh, spicy. Yeah.
To get candy. You used to take bottles, pop bottles.
Like glass bottles?
Huh?
Glass or plastic?
Oh man, it's glass.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't grow up in that era.
When I was a kid, they had glass bottles. The pop came in. Yes, I said pop.
Oh shit.
Coke bottles.
Yeah,
Pepsi
we're from
bottles,
the north.
They all came in glass. And the kid, you go around, you collect bottles, and you take it to the corner store. And they would take them. And then they'd give you money for them. And that's how we got candy and shit like that. Or dip.
I grew up in the 80s. I don't remember a whole lot of glass stuff. Well, you grew up in the 80s.
Yeah, but I don't know, man. It's different from... My world was different from yours. Just like today, I fixed a fried bologna sandwich.
Yeah. Fried
She
bologna.
didn't grow up on that kind of stuff. I did.
Fried bologna is not really my jam.
It's a different world where I come from.
No. We didn't grow up far apart. How many minutes is that? 25 maybe?
Yeah, but it's a different world, man. From where I came from, where you come from. I don't know. It's hard to explain, man. It's like the things I do, you didn't do.
Yeah. I had a corner store though. Well, it wasn't on the corner, but
These were on the corner.
they had like the cheap little candies and stuff you can go in there and get. I used to walk up to my friend's house and then we'd walk up to there and get some candy.
It's just like you could go back to the back and they had what do you call it, where the bologna and all that stuff was.
Yeah.
And you tell them, hey, I want a bologna sandwich with cheese and mayo on it. And they'd fix you the best bologna sandwich in the world, man. The bread was so soft and the bologna was cut right. The cheese, man, it's just... Then they would wrap it up, put it in a bag, and you get you a Coke in a bottle. And
I'm gonna have to get me one of them Cokes in a bottle.
I see the Cokes in a bottle when I was a kid, they were like this.
They're big?
Yeah, now they're little.
Oh.
If you can find them.
I know they had the Jarritos. You like those.
What is it?
The Jarritos.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Those are good. Oh, this little spicy.
Told you.
No, this green one though, it's
you
good.
tried the red one?
No. Not when you said it's spicy.
Yeah, try. It's probably like the green one. It doesn't burn your mouth, but it's spicy though.
I killed those. They're pretty good. What is it, 7 o'clock?
6:54.
Gonna relax the rest of the evening. You can't beat $1.50 for a taco.
No.
But that shit's a little hot now. Alright guys, I just wanted to come on and see how y'all were doing. See how your weekend was. Whoa, got green stuff everywhere. But let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video. The tacos are bomb. clearly demolished those. And we'll see you in the next
Yeah.
video. What?
Killed them.
I did demolish them.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
Oh, you killed yours?
Oh, they're done. Gone.
They had no chance. Drop below what you want to see next. I have a whole list of stuff to have. Probably going to switch our filming to Sundays probably. Because now Friday I clean the house. But we'll definitely continue to do one video a week. Any final words, sir?
No, roll tide.
Roll Tide.
Yes.
All right, y'all. I hope you have an amazing week. Don't let them people out there piss you off. Stay in your good vibes and your positive vibes. We will see you in the next video.